Hello, and welcome to this video review. This is Mike Watch. This video is purely for a detailed analysis and identification. It does not contain any misleading guidance. Today, I'm bringing you a Daytona from ARF, featuring a super-weighted, platinum color case, a cement gray dial, and a rubber strap. This is also a version with the 4131 movement. It is equipped with the Dandong 4131 integrated movement. Currently, this 4131 movement is available from makers like C+ Factory, ARF, and VS Factory. All three factories are using their own versions. Unlike in the past, where VS Factory dominated the market. So, how does it achieve this super weight feature? Let's take a measurement to show you. Its weight is remarkably close to that of the genuine piece. It weighs in at 159.6 grams. It doesn't feel flimsy on the wrist, but has a substantial, weighty feel. And importantly, this heavyweight feature is achieved without altering any of the watch's dimensions. Let's measure it for you. First, the thickness is 11.9 millimeters. The bezel is 38.5毫米. The crystal has no issues here. The dimensions are all benchmarked against the genuine model. It doesn't alter the form factor in any way, which is excellent. In terms of material, it uses a high-density composite steel alloy, which then undergoes high-pressure compression to achieve the specific weighted feel. The case utilizes a PVD vacuum plating process for its white gold finish to create this look. It has a brilliant shine from all angles. For those seeking the highest quality, you can opt for an aftermarket 18K solid gold wrapping. This is a possible modification. The texture and feel of that would be stunningly brilliant, identical to the genuine piece. Furthermore, it provides excellent anti-corrosion and anti-oxidation properties. It will hold up perfectly well for 3 to 5 years of normal use. Now for the dial details and craftsmanship, let's take a closer look with a loupe. Inside the three sub-dials, the concentric circle pattern is very three-dimensional. It's accurately replicated. All the hands are cleanly finished. The shape of the central pinion is also well executed. The printing on the entire dial, done with hydraulic pressing, is very sharp. Can you see it? The anti-counterfeit laser-edge crown is faintly visible. The applied indices, especially the inverted triangle at 12 o'clock, are polished to be very three-dimensional and smooth. It's all very clearly visible. It also features a ceramic bezel. The markings are filled with platinum powder, using a high-temperature injection process. The frosted, granular texture is clearly visible. The crown logo is also three-dimensional and well-rounded. Even the brushed finishing is done very finely. Let's test the functions. This is the start, stop pusher, a light press, and the chronograph seconds hand starts moving. Press again to stop. The bottom one is the reset pusher. Press it, and the hand resets to the 12 o'clock position, no issues. The central time setting crown, unscrew with counterclockwise, and it pops out automatically. Winding it upwards is for manual winding. Pull it straight out. Turn it clockwise to advance the time. The action is very smooth. Now, you can adjust the time. Screw it back down to ensure its water resistance. The crown logo on the clasp is integrally molded. It also features the one-touch spring-loaded release function. Additionally, the chin area of the crown logo has no welding marks. It's very well done. Inside the clasp, the hallmarks and serial numbers are quite good. The St. Bernard dog head hallmark, 0750 and 7CD are all deeply engraved. The 4 dots of the olive hallmark are also present. The only minor imperfection is its letter engraving. It currently cannot replicate the flat topper detail. I have to be honest about this. This is ARF. The clasp also includes the micro adjustment feature, as you can see. It's very convenient. As for the movement, let's show it to you. This is the most direct view and what everyone is most curious about. Okay, The entire appearance of the movement is now clearly displayed for you to see. First, the position of the regulator is correct. Second, the shock absorber here is a centrally mounted type, and the rotor uses full ball bearings. All the engravings are also done very deeply. There are no issues like overflow or broken lines. Can you see? The color of the jewels and the metal chattels around them are also very well rounded. Very well done. The clasp closes with a very crisp and light feel. Alright, that concludes this brief review. We'll talk again in the next video. Bye bye.